Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you how to remove skin tag naturally with very simple ingredients at home. You can remove skin tag naturally and get rid of skin tag overnight without side effects, without leaving a mark, and it's going to be removed naturally without any kind of harsh ingredients or any kind of side effects. It's super effective and super helpful. The first ingredient we need to add is white toothpaste, and add a little of a toothpaste like so. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You cannot use baking powder in this, my friends. It needs to be baking soda. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of castor oil and mix the ingredients very well. After mixing and combining all the ingredients together, apply it on the skin tag like so. And leave it overnight, my friends. It's going to remove the skin tag for you naturally. It is super effective. Leave it like so and you're going to get rid of the skin tag naturally. It's going to be removed naturally without side effects, with all natural ingredients. It's going to be removed permanently and you're going to get rid of the skin tag naturally. Leave it overnight and you're going to see the dramatic results of this remedy. It's going to remove the skin tag from the roots, and it's going to be removed naturally without side effects or any kind of harsh or any kind of scar. It's going to be removed without any kind of scar, and it's going to be smooth skin without any kind of scar or anything, my friends. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.